Hello, hello, lovely people. How are we today? I just wanted to share with you a little tip. So a couple of months ago, I made two meatloaf. My husband wasn't very happy with the texture of the meatloaf, and I must say, honestly, neither was I. For some reason, the meat came out tough. Now, with that being said, it could have been I sent him to the grocery store to get me some meat and he got me something different than what I normally use. So, long story short, it came out tough and I was like, what am I going to do with this other meatloaf? So, I froze the other meatloaf. There's the pan. And then last night while I'm laying in bed, I always think what I'm going to cook the next day. I'm always thinking about what I'm going to cook. But the beauty of knowing how to cook or knowing your way around a kitchen is that normally someone would think, well, this didn't turn out, and they just toss it. But when you know your way around the kitchen, you always think of alternative uses for it. You can doctor it up. And by God, that's what I did this morning. I took the meat out of the freezer, put it in my refrigerator, the meatloaf. And then today I cut it up. I put it in my Instant Pot. I added some seasoning, some more seasoning. I added a thing of diced tomatoes with basil and garlic. I added some more of my sofrito. I added mild salsa. And then I thought, well, should we make Sloppy Joe sandwiches? I gave my husband the option. He said no. I prefer chili. So I went to my little, what Papi, my husband calls doomsday closet. And this is the beauty about having canned beans. So I just opened it. So all I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to pour this in here like so. Ooh, go, 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 go. Oh, I'm going to need both hands, but you get the picture. And then I'm going to go ahead and let it simmer there for a while and it'll be done because the meat, the flavor is amazing. And that'll be dinner for us. And there you have it, guys. Here's my chili that is ready to go. This is very simple chili. It's no fuss. Just the stuff that I had. I really didn't have to cook anything, to be honest. Maybe just for a little bit because I had everything already pre-done. And these are what they are called cranberry beans, which are super, they look like beans on steroids. They're kind of chunky and kind of bulky, and I love them. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.